So here's the new Jeep. Bought it in the bright white. Just love the styling on it. We're gonna be, it's got the safety package with the LED tail lights. So right now I'm gonna be installing some rough country step bumpers, and I'll be documenting that as well. So now we're starting fresh with this Jeep. I just got in these rough country step bumpers and I'm going to be installing them. They look pretty sick. I really like them. They're not the tube style like I had on Big Red. These are more body line following, if that makes sense. They follow the body lines and kind of hide some of the undercarriage. So these are going to look cool when they're done. Okay, so I've unboxed these brackets that come packaged very nice in the box. And I'm ready to start putting these brackets on the actual steps themselves. And from what they said, it's just these attach points. You got 3 of them. And it attaches right onto the factory body lines, the pinch points, and the bolt holes. So that's going to be nice. Okay, so I got the brackets mounted onto the rails. I'm now ready to install. Okay, now that I have the factory hardware installed on the steps, I'm going to go ahead and mount the factory pinch weld holes, and then there's some additional holes up underneath the body where I attach as well. Okay, here is the finished product. It's a little later than I wanted it to be. It took me a little longer than I expected. They look great. I had a couple complaints or gripes. It didn't include enough hardware. I was missing half of the lock washers and half of the regular washers that I needed. So I had to go to the store and pick some up. My other complaint or gripe would be some of the welding is really sloppy. For being a brand name product, it's got some of the slag still all over the bars. You can see it kind of sticking out there. Other than that, for the price, they were really good. They go on pretty smoothly. Like I said, I had some issues with trying to align the bolts on the steps themselves, but once I got those in, went in pretty neat. There's 3 body bolts underneath, and then 6 individual pinch weld bolts per side. So, but as you can tell, they look pretty cool. So that's it for today. Coming up this weekend, I'm going to be doing the 2-inch Mopar lift. Still haven't decided on wheels and tires yet. I don't know if we're going to go with 35-inch tires and keep these stock rims. They're pretty nice. We paid for the upgrade. Got the Jeep on them. It's pretty neat. All-terrain tires, 31-inch. We're going to be going with 35s, so I don't know if I'll be swapping out the wheels as well. But if I do, I'll keep you posted. And if somebody in the DFW area is looking for some nice upgraded wheels, hit me up and we'll work something out. Alright? Well, I'm out, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe.